Hey guys, we'll be making this beautiful cart using the wooden sticks. Take the stick, cut it and stick it as we are doing. Now we will make its wheel, stick its body and your beautiful cart is ready. Next, using the yellow and green color straws, we will be making a beautiful cycle. So first we will make its wheel, then we will make its body and it's ready. Next, we will be using yellow and pink color straw to make a skateboard. First we will make its base like this. Next we'll be making its wheels using the water bottle cap, stick it and it's done. Next take the straw, cut it and stick them together like this. Take a yellow color straw and put them together. We will make a bed and put a ladder and it's ready. Next take a pink color straw, join them by cutting it like this, make a heart shape, make few more as such and stick them together like this. So here we are making a giant wheel toy, make it stand and stick it and it's ready. Next using the straw we'll be making a swing. First we will make it seat like this, join these straws. Now using a purple color straw we will make it stand, stick it and it's ready. Next using this yellow color straw we'll be making a beautiful sunglasses. Take the straw and rotate it like this. Now we will join them using a green color straw. Make its handle and it's ready. Next we'll be making a small chair using these wooden sticks. Stick these sticks like this as we are doing. Make a chair, make it stand and back and your chair is ready. Next take the wooden sticks like this. Now stick them all together. Now we will make a seesaw using the wooden sticks. Make it stand and seats and it's ready. Thanks for watching.